Do this one thing if you want your water heater to last another 10 years. Odds are your water heater is full of crud right now and it's cutting years off its life. Nobody drains their water heater ever, but sediment builds up at the bottom, corrodes the tank, and causes leaks. Once a year, attach a hose to the drain valve and flush it. It takes 15 minutes and could double the life of your $1,200 appliance. And if it's leaking when you finally check it, that's when you're going to wish that you had flood coverage. If you like this trick, follow for more dad hacks.